one thing I do with the FPV is get out and show the course when we have a track. So here in episode 6, season 1, the rally race episode, I got to rip around and basically just having fun, but for a purpose. So what I'm doing here is lining up the start finish line. And there it is. And then doing my best to just rip low through this course. There's the mannequins, which you'll see in a minute here. That's basically it. So you just kind of get some, they'll only use quick clips of that. And then you'll see here as I'm trying to get shots of these cars, there's a camera position. So I'm having to stay high out of the camera positions here and try to snip good shots. And they are whacking those mannequins. You see where production vehicles are and all that, so I can't really just get down and follow these vehicles low like I would love to. I have to kind of zip in and out and pick off shots. The dust was amazing in the light there. Here's another one. So I'm, trying to grab something like that, but then zipping over here and trying to get a shot without getting all the production vehicles in. Didn't really get that one. That's my struggle. So here I'm trying to get a good crossing shot with the sun in the background. And then boom, zip over here to this corner as quick as I can. Try to line up this shot. That one was okay, not the best. Now come back over. Super dusty here, so I'm landing on top of that van instead of on the ground each time. This one was a little tighter through the dust. I'm filming 120 frame here, so can slow everything down. There we go. Now this guy got a camera on that car, and they're getting, those are the important shots that they're getting right now, so I'm really having to stay up out of the way. I just try to pay attention to where they're shooting, and then I'll get in and try to pick something off that might be useful. Now he's going around again. I'm gonna just get that dust. Even that might be useful, and then go up here and maybe this will be a cool shot. And you can see the truck there. So what I was doing between shots, if I had a good battery, I would go 2 sessions on one battery, and then I would go land on this truck roof. Plop down, disarm, sit there for a few minutes. Then I would take off again and get another shot. See him crossing. That was the camera car that was going left. Then I get my shot. Boom. Fly back around, land on the truck. Take a pause while I wait for action. Do it again. Fun day. So yeah, this gives you a little glimpse into what the rest of my footage looks like and sort of how I fly around when I'm getting these kinds of shots on a show like this. And if you watch the episode, you'll see how these types of shots get actually cut into the episode. So yeah, tune in, Season 1, Top Gear America. Check it out on the MotorTrend app. You can get the free week sign up. I know it sounds crazy, but it's actually really worth getting. There's some good stuff on there, and certainly the first season of Top Gear America is so much fun. So check it out, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.